Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicole and I make Dungeons & Dragons miniatures and other fantasy stuff. Now, I love D&D, I always will, but this week I wanted to try something different and I've been seeing it on the internet for months and I have always wanted to try it, and it's called acrylic pouring. It just looks hella fun, hella messy. I love colors. I love like organized chaos kind of stuff. Now, the main reason that I'm trying it is because Christmas is coming and I really like giving people art for Christmas, and I like to try to make it kind of personal. What I'm going to do with these acrylic pours, because they're kind of like abstract and random, I talked to my D&D peoples and I asked them to choose a character and a color that they associated with them. So my plan is to make them an acrylic pour with colors that might remind them of the character that they chose. Hopefully they like it, hopefully it works. I've never done this before, ever. This is my first time ever trying to do this, so I'm probably gonna fuck it up, but at least we will learn together. I got this stuff called Liquitex. It's like this pouring medium stuff, and you're supposed to mix that with water and paint, and then it makes it that like liquidy shit, and then you let it sit for like a really long time. Apparently there's two different kinds of acrylic pours you can do. There's clean pour, which is where you have all your colors separately and you like put them where you want it. And then there's dirty pour, where you put all your colors in a cup, you flip it upside down, and you just let it fly. So yeah, that's what this video is gonna be, is me trying to acrylic pour, and if you're here for it, then yo, what's up? Hit subscribe, come hang out with me. And if you want to come back for more miniatures, then I'll see you in the next video. So this is the stuff that I got. It's Liquitex. Apparently the ratio is like half pouring medium, half paint, but other things I read also said you could kind of do whatever you want. It depends on what you want it to look like, so I'm just gonna wing it. So I got the colors for the first one, and I'm trying to decide if I want to try to do a dirty pour or not. I think I am. So my little canvases aren't very big. They're tiny, tiny. So I don't need that much. I'm just going to fill up a little plastic like pill cup with the paint and just try it. Like, fuck it, just try it. It can't really go wrong, right? Wish me luck. It's gonna do it, I guess. Let's do it from over here, so you can see it in all its glory. Ah! And then I gotta pick it up and like turn it. Right? That's how you do it. I mean, I don't know if I did it right, but it's fucking cool. I like this blue. I want more of that blue. Now, I have some alcohol, and I'm wondering what would happen if I spritzed a little bit on it, you know what I mean? Like, what if I just take a brush, put it in here, and like flick it, you know? Oh, that does stuff. Oh my god. Dude. Dude. That's fucking beautiful. Okay, so it worked. I don't know how well it worked because I won't know until it's dry, but I feel confident enough to do some more. Well, this is like messy as fuck. But I didn't get any on the carpet, so I am winning. I think I'm done making on purpose ones for tonight. On purpose. I have a bunch of colors left over, so I'm just gonna put them all in a cup and see what happens. It's probably gonna be fucking ugly, but I mean, I don't want to waste it, so might as well see what happens. Also, my bucket is prettier than any of the paintings I've made so far, and that's really upsetting. Look at my hands. Okay, that was really fun. Actually, I think the last one, I think that one's my favorite, even though it was just all the colors I had left. Of course, why would anything I do on purpose actually be pretty? Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna let those dry because you have to let them sit for like 24 hours or something. So I'm just gonna let them chill, and we're gonna look at them again tomorrow and see how they changed and see if they're dry. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, see you in a minute. Hey, welcome back everyone. So my acrylic pours are dry and I'm going to show them to you, and I will do some editing magic to show you what they looked like when I poured them and what they look like now that they're dry. The light's kind of harsh, so it's going to make it look a little more yellow than it is, but this was the first one. It definitely looks different than what we left it as when it was wet. It just goes to show that even when it's drying, it still looks different after because it's still dripping off the back. I think it's cool. And this one is next, and it kind of looks like, you know, like pictures from the satellites of Earth. It kind of looks like that. So it was wet like this, and it dried like this. This one turned out really cool, so I'm super pumped with this one. I couldn't really tell you what I did differently to make it do this. I think it's because I added more water to the paints. I also added a bit of the rubbing alcohol to a couple more colors than just the white, and I think that really helps do the like weird cell kind of stuff. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to do some more experiments. But this one turned out really cool. This one worked out cool. You can definitely tell that the white that I had some rubbing alcohol in it because it's so like bubbly looking. So this is another one where I just added more color on top of it after I poured it. I was super nervous with how it was going to turn out, but it actually looks like pretty cool. There's a face in there. Like, I don't know what that is. So this next one was the most surprising. I think for some reason, somehow this is my favorite one, and it was not intentional at all. None of it was. I dumped all the colors I had left into one thing, and this is how it turned out. It just goes to show that sometimes you gotta say fuck it and let your freak flag fly, and it'll turn out fine. Yeah, I hope you liked that. I know it wasn't quite D&D, but it's still really fun. It's still artsy and cool, and I got to try something. Hopefully you learned something too, because art's hella fun and anyone can do it. Even if you've never done it before, you can do it. Like, just do it. If you want to see me try that again or try any other kind of weird art things, you know, leave a comment. Let me know. I'm down for trying pretty much anything. If you want to hang out with me on the internet more, I have a Twitter, a Facebook, and Instagram, and a main website, NicoleBruceArt.com. Come check me out. I also have a Patreon, so if you are in the position to and you feel like chucking a couple bucks my way, then check it out. The link's in the description. Thank you so much for checking me out, and thanks so much for watching. And if you like the video, please like the video. Bye!